Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, the second part.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x is equal to the integral from -1 to x squared of -2t plus 2 dt, and we need to find f prime of x. So let's use our formula here. F prime of x is equal to d over, if I can write it, d over dx of the integral of what we have here of f of x. -1 to x squared, -2t plus 2 dt. And so, continuing on, f prime of x is equal to d over dx here. What's the integral of -2t plus 2? Well, -2t becomes a -t squared, plus integral of 2 is a 2t. And we're integrating this from -1 to x squared. Okay? Let's continue this up here. Well, from here we need to follow our rules. Plug in x squared in for t. Okay? So we have d over a dx. Plugging x squared in, so -x squared squared, don't forget the second squared, plus 2 times an x squared. Minus, when we plug in -1 in for x, and I simplified that for you, and it came out to be a -3. And it won't really matter in a minute. Alright, so our rules state we need to take, well actually let's go simplify this first. D over dx. We have a -x squared to the second power, so it's x to the fourth power, so we have -x to the fourth, plus, well, just 2x squared, plus a 3 here, that constant. And this step will actually find our answer, f prime of x. We need to take the derivative of what's inside the bracket here. 4 comes down, we have a -4x to the third, plus 2 comes down, gives us 2 times 2 is a 4x, and the derivative of a 3 is a 0 because it's a constant. And so we now have our f prime of x, and it's equal to a -4x to the third plus 4x. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.